Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy workaround on how to use Strava on Garmin watch. So to get started with that, go to the website on the screen, which is connect.garmin.com on your browser. Then log into your Garmin Connect account. Then click the free icon and select account settings. Then from there, click on Connect app. Then find and click Strava from the option. Then after that, click Connect and a Strava login page will appear on your screen. Then log into your Strava and click Authorize to allow the connection. Then your Garmin account is now linked to Strava, and after each workout, just sync your Garmin device and your activities will appear in Strava automatically. And that's how you can easily use Strava. On Garmin watch. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.